kana akong ganahan, no? Ah, ma-record. Though, daghan kay nag-push ako ano na i-boost or something like that, pero maulaw ko mag-share. I don't know. I don't have that guts na i-share sa akong timeline or i-share na ako na or something like convincing others to share my channel sa Facebook. Wala lang jud. So I actually hesitant jud ko ipang-upload na siya ng mga ano, but it's just a matter of time na if I don't do it, my students will really parang struggle more. At least now, so nakita ko motivation na sige, I will do it, no? Bahalag ma-compromise privacy, no? That's something kasi I'm really kasi na person, parang makita ko ninyo as optimistic na person, makita ko niyo as an outgoing person, garaon, but I'm really parang shy, no? I mean, I'm a shy type person, and yeah, so that's one of the things na at least na-appreciate na ako, na nakaya na ako. Kasi before, like, when the pandemic started, I've been recording my session, like this, no? Different sessions, but I only posted it in my Google Sites. It's just a private site. So, there, naka-organize ako mga videos and all, and then, dili siya public, like, it's not available for others. So, dito lang ako ginapang-upload. But, yun, at least, siguro, somebody pushed me na, sige, try na lang na, kay, it's the new trend, and at least na kung ano gani, pwede kayo magbisaya lang dito dito ang explanation, but it's for academic man god. So, I tried harder to really speak in English. Okay? So, ana siya ba? So, okay na po so far. Mga outdone lang dyan ko o vocabulary. Okay? And, yun. So, I just hope you help me out with that. No? So, sige pohon, basin di ay, no? Magdilang anghel ka sana, Julen. Okay? Di ka mahimong tansan. Alright. So, welcome everyone to our session today. And, now, I am going to, wait, kasi naman to. This was the, parang gatong discussion, copy-paste lang ako siya dire. So, again, for those who haven't watched the video about functions, so again, to give a recap, we have functions are in programming are important. It is for us to organize our codes in a way that we can just call them anytime we want. And like we have been actually surrounded with functions in our program. From the mere fact that we have main function, it is actually a function. And aside from main function, we can also create our own functions. In fact, like getLine, at, POW function, abs function, those are actually functions, and we can make use of them. We can take advantage of them anytime we want them. No? They are just going to behave there in our codes, and then eventually when we call them, that's the time they are going to invoke in actions. So there are this what they call types of functions, which are or kinds of functions. We have, I don't know if it's kind or type, but we have this what we call predefined function and user-defined function. So when we talk about predefined functions, these are built-in functions. These are already created by the Java or C++ developers, or the part of the team development who created that or which created the programming. So mo mga built-in methods. And then when we talk about user-defined methods, these are methods that are created by us, no? Kita na mga nag-learn of programming. So a method can be like can be in different types. you have non-value and value returning methods, and then we have without and with parameters. So ako lang nagbuot-buot ani. I have here 4 definition of methods or functions. We have non-value, okay, void or void methods, and then we have without parameter and with parameter. So meaning there is argument and no argument. Like this one, this is a with no parameter because we don't pass anything in there. And then we have here int as a, this is not a non-void method or function because it does not it is not use the void. I mean, it uses a type on a certain type that it is returned. Many mao tong I return 0 after dapat na magamit ta og int main. So that belongs to value returning function. So if you guys want to learn this, na dito sa ako ang video recording nakatong C++ functions, I guess. So na-discuss na ko ni siya everything here. Now, we are going to create our functions. Okay, so i-take na nato ni as it is na kani ang mga functions, and then katong mga problems nato na mga functions like other functions. We are going to create functions out of katong sa examination nato. Okay, so this time let's say we want to know the max value of an array, yeah, using a function. So to do that, all we just need to do is we have here, let's say, okay, int, okay, max, something like that, or highest, it depends sa inyo ha. And then you have here int, let's say num. So this is what we called a value returning function and a parameterized function. So value returning with parameter ni siya. So it returns an int value. Okay, now this time we are going to store, we are going to have here an array object for our function, and we are going to, of course, yeah, so we are going to determine the max value of a function, max value out or amongst the elements of our array. Okay, so let's start with, of course, let's say, 1 na tamang start kasi let's assume that the first index is the highest function, highest value. So we have here I less than, let's say, what's the calculation of, are we going to calculate the, the max, like max capacity or of this one, num, length. Saan ganito? What's the formula for that? Para makuha na tong length. Kisay naka-remember. Kisay naka-remember pa to. Num. Sige. Kisay naka-remember ato, dali. How do we know na, kasi delete, like, we don't know kung pila ang value sa atong array. So how do we know the length of the array? I have given you the formula, which is, pwede na ito na siya imuatang as int, let's say, size. So how do we get the size of the array? Sa ito formula?
Divide sa size niya po, sir.
Which is? Unsa man? Size of num divided by size of num 0. Is it this one? Mao ba ni? Mao ni dili. Ha?
Murag mao na, sir.
Murag mao nga dili. Murag mao nga dili. Okay. So, let's say tanaw na to later kung mao ba jud. Okay. And then we have I++. Okay. So, we can actually test it out. So, we have to determine kasi size of, meaning ang iyahang size of the num kung unsa siya integer value, and then divided by the size, yung bytes magud ang calculation, ano, no, divide na to siya by the num0, which is for every, like, for bytes, for the bytes divided by the bytes for every element of the array. So example nata dire, actually pwede na to i-return na. Return size. So you have here, let's say int num. So this is local. This one is the local variable. This one is also a local variable because it's declared inside of a main or inside of a function. So let's say for an instance lang na atay okay, mga values sa array 45, 20, ayan. And then, so dili sa max ha, ato lang buhaton karon is tawagon na to ng max. Let's say if tama ba to ang size sa array. So let's have here the max. Okay? So you have here the size, num. Okay, so you call the function max and it returns the size of our array. So, dili man lagi, tura man lagi ni. Mali atong formula.
Ano, sir? Size of the array divide size of the array. Tama man nata ni sir.
Tama, no? Size of the array divide
Tama
size
na
of
siya,
the
sir.
array.
Oo.
Oh, how come dili lagi siya? Max num 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 lang, 2. Anong 2?
Bakit to?
Dapat it returns the try sa naton eh. Kalimot na sila ani ba? Pati inyong teacher nakalimot na po. Pasintura jud ni siya, or I just missed something in my formula. Wait. Yeah, actually 9 there, no? 9. So, tama siya. Okay? Like, sige, since dili niya mag-capture, I don't know what's the problem with this one. It seems like tama siya. So, actually, tama atong formula. I-try sa nato diri daw. Let's see, tanawon check na to. Oops. Wait lang ha. So, okay. Okay, so let's run our, wait. Ay, kasi wala pa tawag. Wait lang ha, tawagon sa nato na si. Wait for a while. Intentionally, ato lang sang tawagon si Max. And then, yeah. So we're just going to call Max, assign it with the num. So kaning value na num dire ma-assign na dire. And hopefully dapat size of num should be 9. So 2 lang jud. So okay, ang pinaka the best option nato ani would be ano na lang din nato, int size equal to like this, and then we're going to put here the size. So if that is the case, atong buhaton would be display na to this size. Okay. Ano lang, para makuha na to ang value, makuha na to ang length, para dili ta mag-assume na o 10 lang taman, 5 lang taman. So dapat natay okay, sige, run. So why? What happened? Size, see out size. Ay, wala din natong itawag si Max. Uy, isa ang hugas plato nila. Okay, sige, try na to. Let's see. You have there, dapat 9 ang display. Ayun, kana na lang. Inano na tong button. So we have here the num and then the size. So let's remove this one. Okay, and then after this, we are now going to compare. So let's start with the num0, no? So we can have num0, but it would be better num0 less something like less than the num_i. We can do this, no? So like num0 equals to get the highest value. So we have num_i. But I don't recommend you doing this. That is why we need to have like high. So we have num0. So let's assume that the first highest value is num0, and then we'll just have to compare the highest value to by the highest value to every element of the array. Okay, so every time na ay mas higher sa iya, then it will be the value that is assigned as the new value of the highest, and then we'll have here size high. Okay, as simple as that. And now here we can now have here that the highest is, and then up yun. So among all, the highest would be, so this is using a method, right? So there, the highest is 100. Yan. So of course, if we don't make it like a method, this codes will be right here, no? But the good thing about methods kasi is that you organize your program into a method, and your main function is now very clean. No? It's neat looking. Okay, and then since we are going to use this max, I mean the value that it is returned by this function, pwede natin ni siya i-assign here that, let's say, int largest, para dili, pwede na po high class, okay, pero sige, para dili mo ma-confuse, balik-balik ang mga variable names, so you can have here something like this one, and then you use largest. Okay, yan. And then the other problem, or the other, I guess, problem na to would be katong sa to mag-determine taog if it's add or even, or negative or positive. So pwede ito kabuhaton. So we can also have here for min. So ato lang po ning into low. Low is greater than, so this will be low. This is for lowest value. So low, just in case, no? So yan, nanamoy lowest, nanamoy highest. And then what we are going to do is kantong i-return niya if either it is add or even, no? So pwede na mag-string, no? String, let's say add even. Okay, so we can have here like the value, so value, and then we can have here return value modulus to 2 is equal to 0. Okay, it is even, of course, and then Otherwise, it is add. So because anyway, 0 is considered as even naman, no? Okay, so yan, that's it. And then right here, we can call that one, that function there, add even. So add even, but this time you're going to use largest. Yan. All right. Okay, so we have the highest is largest. So pwede ka masumpay, and it is yan, even or add even ba? So it is even. So yun na siya, it is even. O yan. So butangan na to siya ana. And then dungaga na to isa ka function, string, negative, positive, or pwede nimo i-combine together ang negative, positive, add, even, but you don't have, ayaw ninyo na inanaa ang function. Dapat ang function ninyo will only work, ang purpose niya must be only one lang, dili siya pwede multiple iyahang ginabuhat. So, sige, later, pwede tamo anuhan. So, we have here, pwede ka mag-if condition, if value is 0, of course, it's origin. Okay. We don't have the value here. Int value. And then, otherwise, compare na to if it is, or if the value is less than 0. So, dili appeal ang equal to 0 doon. Ay uban sa inyo, ay appeal ang 0. 0 is not negative, not positive. So if dili siya, if less than 0 ta, any number less than 0 is negative. Otherwise, it's positive. So if you're going to ask me, sir, pwede ba i-combine na lang nato like string process, tapos dito na to mahibalaan, i-return niya kung add even, even negative, add positive. Yeah, pwede. Pwede yan ninyo, no? Pwede nyo buhaton. But as much as possible, inyong function is parang related sila with each other. And then, kung yung tag-related with each other, dapat isa lang pod ang iyahang ginabuhat. Meaning, isa lang iyahang gina-return. Dili siya mag-return og multiple like values. So, with here, it is add even, then you can combine it with dash ba, and then call negative value, or negative positive value. Yan. And then, okay, so we can run our program. And there's an error because we have here, what do we lack here? Sorry. This should be if value. Tama man. Kaya lang, we'll need to have a dapat siguro yung gusto. Wait. Wait ha. Mali. So, if true, then okay, origin. Asam ba akong origin? Nawala din akong origin. Dara ang origin. Okay, kanina yung kulang. And then, ayun. And then, right here is this one. Am I right? Yun. Okay. Sige. So, let's run now. And you still have an error, but this time, diri na. So, what is the error here? Value because largest dapat. Largest. Yan. So, when you run this one, there. The highest is 100 and it is even positive. So, see? So, tangan lang nato na siya. Yan. So, simple as that. That's the first solution. You get 40 already. But, again, if dili na nyo method, same lang gihapon, only that na method lang siya, nalimpyo lang inyong code. Okay? So, bisan pag, like, i-change nimo na into negative, like, everything is negative, ang highest ato is katong lesser value na negative. Kung if these are all negative, no? So, 45 is the highest and it is add positive. Okay? Alright, so you can also do it for second problem. So, katong second problem kay palindrome, no? Palindrome or non-palindrome. So, pwede ta maghimo atong another function, let's say reverse. Okay? And then you have here the string, let's say str. And then string reverse of rev na lang. Okay? And then we'll have here a loop. Okay? And then we'll have here int I is equal to the length of reverse. So rev dot str dot size minus 1. Okay? Okay, para mag-start siya with visiting the last value of the last character of the string. And then I is greater than until 0, and then I minus. And then, after that, ano lang nimo siya, kwaon nimo ang per character sa string starting sa pinaka-last. So, we have here I. Okay? And then, return reverse. Okay? So, example lang, ang problem ato is, sa to kong gipangayo, meaning, naka-string, let's say string, str is equal to nisin. And then, ang i-output dapat is, mag-input kang string, let's say nisin ang giano, so, input string, so we have here str, okay, I have here NL. Alright, so we have here cout, reverse string, so reversed string, /t, we are also going to have /t here, and then you have here, you just call this reverse thing, huh? No? So rev any reverse. Okay, so let's have your rev and L. So, yan. So, na naka-reverse thing. Okay, and then, next is, mag-ano siya, either palindrome siya or not. So, pwede ta mag-boolean, pwede po ta mag-string gihapon. It's up to you. So, actually, pwede ragon nato dire ibutang ang i-return kung palindrome ba siya or not. Kay compare lang nato ang original. Basta make sure ipasa nato dire. Sige, maghimot ang isa niya later on. So, after that, you can have here is palindrome. Okay, and then you have here the str. Okay, or something like atong string nag-reverse, no? Reverse, ayan. So, i-compare lang nimo siya. If ang reverse ba equals kay, o wala, another di. So, una is string, original. So, let's say original equals to reverse. Kung the same siya, return yes. Okay, kung dili, return no. Yan. And then after that, you can have it here. Palindrome. So, ang anong ref man eh. Dapat tawago nato dire si reverse. Okay? So, then, we have here str. And then, tawago nato dire si is palindrome. Oy, is palindrome, then original, or str, and then reverse. There. So, delete si reverse. Okay, pwede na to ni siya ibutang diri sa, sorry, a string reversed. Reverse is equal to, para we can use it here sa tuang kani. Ayan. So, unsa ang reverse value, ibutang to dire. So, pwede na nato ni diretso pod si reverse diri na with D. Okay, pero kung na-confuse mo, sige, ato na lang ning reverse na function, then let's say rev na lang na. Okay, and then rev na lang ato ibutang dire. Okay, and also rev ni siya. Kaya pag na-confuse mo, reverse with ed. Anyway, if you will run this, there's an error. According to our error, string reverse here. String reverse, blah, 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 string str sa error niya. Redefinition. Ay, okay. Kasi nanay reverse. Actually, nanay reverse na function na built-in. Nana daw. Okay? So, dili daw pa pwede mo gamit anang reverse na built-in. Ngita taglain, may reverse na lang. May reverse. Ayan. So, let's just change this to my reverse. Okay, and then let's run this one. And yeah, there. Input string, wala tay \n. Ang uban ato last time is akong pag-check kay pati ang reverse gipangayo, pati ang length gipangayo, pati ang palindrome gipangayo. No, I'm just asking for input lang mo values sa string. And then, i-reverse ninyo ang string. Pag reverse, kung pareha siya sa original o ang reverse, pag ang string nag-reverse, then that's palindrome. So, like this one, listen. No? Let's say, input na to is program. Okay? So, dapat ang return will be, oops, what happened? No, dapat siya. Ay, okay. My goodness. This is dapat original. Lagi ng copy-paste ba? So, this is original. Okay? So, original equals reverse. So, yan. So, naka-record yan in a video. So, make sure ano na lang tundaan niyo. So,
Nawala si Sir.
Sir.
Sir?
Sir. Wala, nawala dyan yung net.
Ayo.
Nara na dira ay. Nagkuana na si sir.
Ayaw, sir. Palit ko.
Ay, magsaba.
Sir.
Naminaw na to si sir.
Wala dyan iyang net.
hi, hello. I'm lost.
You lost, Sir.
My connection was lost. Okay. Sige. Unsa na asa ko na part nawala?
Dito na ka sa
Laptop ha?
katong sa
Program
program.
manata to.
Ang program. Kani, naabot mo okay, ay pero kuan lang, naabot atong reverse na, okay na katong palindrome na.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
sir.
Okay,
Ang
good.
nalang katong ng return original tapos katong equals
Reverse.
reverse. Oo.
Pag run mo, then this will give us no. Yan. So, that's how easy method or function is. So, inala lang siya, no? Kung napansin nyo, unsay nakita ninyo karon na difference sa inyong code karon with regards to sa atong gibuhat.
Mas nubo siya, sir, o mas
Mm.
hayon.
So, mas lami na yung mubo. I mean, mas nice ang
Simplified siya, sir.
Ha?
Simplified rin siya, sir.
Simplified, mas dali ang mubo, mas, kumbaga, akong gingon sa inyo, the lesser the code, the better. Dili pwede na, if you could make it in a, parang, if ano pa nimo, ma-lesson pa nimo mong code, then find a way na ma-lesson pa nimo. And this is one thing na pwede na tubuhaton. And this, this can be used anytime you want, no? Pwede na nyo ni magamit anytime. So, kung yung purpose ba for, kung mag-reverse ka after mag-reverse code, sa, like, kani, sa negative, unsay, you can, this everything here, no? Pwede nimo siya magamit to whatever imong purpose for this one. So, dili na nimo siya need i-repeat balik-balik three of codes. Okay? So, that's how, that's what function is. Now, this time, based sa itong program last time, we are going to apply this function thing in our program. Kasi katong gibuhat na to last time, okay, asa man to ako ang ipang-paste na ako ni Tere. Nai question? So kung nai question, please raise your questions. Natong nag-copy-paste na word. Yes, J. Flores. Yes, Alan J. Flores. What's your question?
Wala, sir.
Maulay gina, scammer kayo. Maulay question, pataas. Sige. Okay, I'm going to paste it here kasi pulihan nato na siya og mao ko ni problem sa Eclipse kasi dapat isa lang main function sa ako ang program. So we'll need to asa atong giano last time gibuhat nato last time was kani. Okay, this one. So actually this one is uploaded sa yan tiritaman. Na-upload na ko ni sa YouTube. And then I actually ask you to watch it para maano ninyo. So ato i-paste dire. So kani siya is about katong nanay name, na gender, na age, na tuition. So i-run through tamo ani. Ang program will be asking kung mag-add ba siya let's say
Sir, nag-show screen ka, sir?
Yes, wala di ay?
Wala mo yung gawa, sir.
Oh, okay. Well, actually, wala na ko nag-share screen because kulang og bayad. Okay, so you have here, I have here, sana to? Okay, so when I run this program right here, this will give us this option. So, Lebakera, ayan. Or, tama ba? Okay. Ay, okay. Di maday ni string get line akong gikuhaan. Lahi na lang. Isa na lang ka name. Okay. Li na lang. Okay. Oh, what happened? X add A. Saan akong option? ACH. Wow, what happened with this? Okay. Enter name, Lee. Ayun. Gender, male. Age, 34. Tuition, let's say 9,000. Ayan. So, student record successfully stored to array. Current record 1. So, if I'm going to add more, mag-add na siya another record. So, let's say Mart, male. So, age, 12. Tuition is, let's say, 5,000. Then, there, current record is now 2. So if I'm going to like view the record, so I have here Lee and Mart all the way down sa tuang record. So this is the same with what we did actually katong sa numbers. Only that numbers lang tong gina-store. So i-run through tamo with the codes. all you just need to do is store them in an array for name, for gender, for age, and for tuition. So, ang ano lang ani is dapat kung sa tong first index mo tong value ni sa isa ka student. So next index na pod value na po to sa next student. Yan, so display lang nato siya. Yan, so name, gender, then age and tuition. And then for searching pod, the same lang gyapon, same algo but i-display lang nato yahang nanatay name, gender, age and tuition. The same with type a value to search. So you do this here, blah, blah, blah. And then, also with right here sa index, same lang pa rin ang algo but na-change lang into nanakay pagong mga for name. So if i-edit niya ang name, i-edit niya ang gender, ang age, and also for deletion, of course. Okay? So right now, we are going to look into things here na sa may mga balik-balik din na codes. So, for instance, kani type an index from 0 to, ayan, kani balik man ni, no? Every time, kani siya balik-balik man ni. So, pwede nato na siya imoong method. Okay? So, para kay so searching sa type index is equal to pwede ra ni dili kaning sa index. Is it balik-balik? Murag dili man di ay. Ang balik-balik diri is if index okay na ni. And then ang balik jud diri is kani if value is parang if it's found or not. So with that, pwede ta maghimong isa ka function ani that would do this para ma-lessen gamay ang code. And it seems like kung imo pa nang i-discover daghan pa kag ma-discover na i-save nimo. So let's say for an if himo nimong function. Pero let's have the katong pinakaano na ipangitaon niya ang value kung naa ba siya or wala. So we're going to have here like the string or boolean. Ay na boolean na lang, no? Kay if it's found or not. So boolean is found. And then we are only going to look for the value of name, tama? So name, and then here we'll have the loop. So you can use this value to something like name, or this is what we call for each loop, no? For each loop. Okay, but if you find it like difficult to understand, so pwede ta katong traditional loop, but again pwede na siya. So let's have int I is 0. Ang I mean kadto siya is ibutang na lang nimo na yung cout instead of nanakay index kana na lang. So but what we are going to do now is syempre kadto lang traditional loop. So int I is equal to 0, and then so this is the tricky na part kasi we'll need to determine kung pila ang size di ay dapat. So, mas okay kung natay method na mo determine kung pila size sa array, no? Size of, or size na lang. Or current size. Okay, current size. Atong array, no? So, kwaon na to siya in isa lang ka value dito, string. Ayan. And the string, siguro name. Ayan. Then, kwaon na to ang size equals size of name divided by size of tapos name 0. Yan. Para makuha na to ang size. Return size. So, right here, pwede na nato tawagon ang size. So, let's say, current size. Ayan. So, which is, you call the name. So, dapat ay array ni siya. Okay? And then, yeah, so okay na na. And then, after that, this will be, I don't know if tama ba na akong ibuhat, but this will give, we have here I is equal to current size, name, blah, 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 blah. Then, after that, see, display sa nato kung makapture nato si name, no? Like, I. Try sa nato kung makuha nato si name. And then after that, ano din nato kung makita ba or wala. Okay, so mag-return lang sa kadre og return true lang sa ni. Okay? Alright, so we can actually have it like there is a current record. Okay, current size. Pwede ta magdungag somewhere na lang dire. Cout \n current size. Pili mo na ng current record pero atong i-ano kaya naka-function man ta. So current size is equal to current size and then the value of name. Ayan. So something is wrong kasi ang name is wait. Anong dito max, no? This is the problem with array wait na-anticipate na ako ang problem in the future kasi current size of the name is the current size yung kwaon actually instead na current size actually the parang max, the same ng gapon parang max capacity. So, pwede na niwala. Okay. And then, right here, instead na same, current ang capacity gapon yung kwaon which is actually ang max. So, what we are going to do with this one is kwaon na lang atong I. Okay? I na lang atong kwaon, ani. So, current size is ipasa na lang niya ang value. So, wait. Int I. Ano na lang? And then, para natay value, return I. Tama ba? Mura, yan. Ano lang. Okay, then every time na mag-add siya or every time ma-store sa record, tawagon na to ang current size. Okay, pasa na to sa current size which is ayan. So return I kani siya would be pangit man. Wait. Pangit man. I-void na lang guro nato ni, no? So, current size ay pasa na to somewhere here. Sa may algo, ani. I'm looking for nice na algo, ha? Wait for a while. Let me think. Kuhaan ako ang size, current size. Okay. Para dili na tamaon sa ni. Tinatawag himog function. Let's have int size na lang jud. And then yun. So ang ano lang nato is tawagon nato ning name with the value with the current size. And then na nato ibutang si size. Yeah, paano na yung pinakadali. And then, tanaw ito kung i-display ba niya ang name given the current size and the value. So, yeah, i-try sa nato. So, let's say, tawag ko nato na here in, sagay ni siya na function is found, no? Sige, apil na nato boolean. So, bool is, let's say, boolean found is equal to false. And then, if nakita niya, so if val is equal to name, let's say I, so found is equal to true. Okay, and then return found. So kung wa siya makita na pareha ato na name, so mas okay kung ang name dili ang name inyong ano dili like ID. Dapat naatay ID unta, no? Sige, ID na lang nato para unique. Himo lang tag isa ka variable diri na ID. ID and then max. So ID na lang dai. Okay, and then this will be ID. So dungag lang ta og ang ID nato would be asa tong if sani? This one here. So pwede ta mag automatic diri og output like i-auto increment ninyo. So student ID. So student ID would be I, okay, or 0 plus I. I plus 1. Okay, ana. Okay? And then, para ma-store siya sa ato ang array, so kailangan nato ibutang ID is equal to I is equal to I. Value of I plus 1. Okay, sorry. Value of I plus 1. Para 1 siya, ID 1 siya ang mo store sa IDI na to, which is ID 0. Pero you have the option na dili mo mag-store og in value sa index 0. Pero again, pwede, depende na sa inyo ha. So, of course, obviously, mag-change nimo ni Dre. Madungagan lang ni siya Dre og ID like ID /T. Ayan. So, medyo mausap imong structure, but yeah, ID and then index. So, kani, dili na ni okay na nanakay, I mean, this is not good na nanakay, si tawag na kay in, searching by index or edit by index. Dapat by ID na jud ni siya. Okay? So, anyway, we have already here the ID. So, try na to siya diri sa search, aman tong search by value. So, tanggalon na nato ning wala ayo na ning by index, no? Pang ano ni pang si tawag binukid binukid dili na need, no? I mean dili na need ang by index. Dapat ano na ta, diretso na ta search by value or something. Ayan. So, wait lang. Okay? Ato na sa ning itarong ang indent. Source correct indentation. 335 pa. So, and then naalay sobra. Okay, tanggalon na to ni yun. So, type ID na lang to. Type student ID. Type student ID. Ayan. And then, you have here the value. So, here, tawagon na to tong atong method or function na is found. So, we have here, if is found, okay, is found, which is, ibutan na to si ID, and then, sa ining value, value na pangitaon, okay, and then, atong I, no, size ato ang array. So, mas okay di ay na i-value na lang yun nato ni value, and this will be value. Okay, and then, you still follow? You still follow?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So, once na niya na nakita na niya, and then, since is found, ayun, this kanina po ang problem nato, no? If i-convert nato ni siya. Nakita na siya, pero i-try sa nato kung nakita ba yun. ato sa ning itanggalon. So, let's see kung nakita ba jud niya or wala. Okay, if is found, so see out found. Okay, else see out not found. So example ana no, or value not found or value found. So try na to. So I have a student ID. So naka student ID 1. So Mark, male, 23, tuition 9,000. So add ta. So current student ID na ko karon is 2. So let's say Kyle, male, 16, 5,000. So i-view na to siya. Wala na to na apil og view ang student ID, but kung dali lang man na, i-view lang man na. So dito to sa searching, which is type student ID. So ang ID ni Mark kay 1. So tanaw to kung found ba siya or not. So not found. So meaning wala niya nakitaan. Okay? So tanaw na to nganong unsay problem sa tong program. So wait na, dungagan sa nato ni siya og X and then /t. Ayan. So we have here ID /t. So wala niya nakita. What happened? So we have here ID 1 0 size plus found true false. Found false true. Sige, tanaw na to. Then wala daw niya nakita. So value, something like value is found. Value is not found. Sige, check sa nato. Balik. Okay, so M P 3. Sige, so we have add. So K, let's say 4. So view. So you have, okay, wala day atong ID. What you day na-store atong ID? What happened? So mo day nang way nakita kay, wala na-store ato ang ID. Okay, check na to. ID is equal to I plus 1. What happened? Anong di niya makita? Anong di ma-store si ID? ID wait so I don't
Murag wala siya
wala na store si ID
ay
nara kani storing man yo no actually pwede na to ibutang dire tanaw na to kung ma-capture ba yun si IDI ani na lang pinaka best pinakadali na ma-trace siya IDI ano na lang the very first time na ira na to siya makita na to kung na-store ba jud si first ID. So wala jud ay, no?
Di na siya butangan og sin di ay sir? Di siya pwede butangan og sin sa kanang count niya?
Say sin.
Si
in. Si. Okay. Wait lang. Dili na kay auto-increment man siya. Dili na i-type ang ID. Automatic siya ba? Bas, ang problem di ay kay string man day atong basin kani. Okay? Di lang ko sure pero i-try na to. I plus 1. Murag mao niya ang error niya. Okay, check na to. Ayun, kana. Okay na siya. Kasi naka-integer, gitreat niya as integer, dili as string. So, ayun, no? Okay, so, nanatay value sa ato ang automatic auto-increment ang value sa atong ID. Every time mag-add tag ID, automatic siya store. Mo na kung may ginabuhat sa itong program. So, di ba nanatay student ID 1? So, pwede ka na select na po select A na pod ka, so student ID 2 na ka. Kung gusto ka, start ka with 100, pwede nimo na siya buhaton. Sige, atong i-try unya. So, enter name, let's say, Kyle, male, 24, 8,000. So, view na to. So, nanatay 1 and 2, and then, i-search na to siya, type na to 1. So, 1 is found. Ayun, nakita na siya. So, kung gusto mo na, daw dili tanan gusto ninyo ma-inyo ha. So, kung gusto mo na inana, actually, pwede ninyo siya i-inani. Like, 10, 101, 102, it's up to you, no? Ang pasabot ani is that every time mag-add ka og value, A, so 101, ayan, ana siya. Then, next na po A, 102. So, kung gusto ka, inana. So, okay lang. Okay? Now, para meaningful atong ID, no? 101, 102. Example lang siya. So, kay makita na niya is found, dire sa tuwang function, nalantay problem dire. Ako alam pong ako na yung na-find out just now na kailangan nato makuha ang index value. Okay? Kailangan nato makuha ang index value ato para ma-display nato ang value diri. Or, ang option nato would be, ipasa nato tanan value diri ni name, ID, name, gender, age, pero kapoy na kaya na siya buhaton. I like, maghimo na po kag another name, gender, blah, blah, blah. Ato lang ani is determine lang niya if nakita ba niya or wala. Actually, pwede nato ni i-change ang atong program, no? Instead na is found siya, okay, maghimo na tag isa ka kanay makita kani himo na tag isa ka function, anyway wala man ay problema, no? Int is found, integer siya, okay, nga is found gyapon pero ang i-return niya ang value or ang index value sa nakita, okay? So here butang lang tag int found. Instead na ang makita is 0, kung 0 siya, meaning walay nakita. Okay? Pwede ani, mas okay ni siya. And then, kung other number siya, meaning, let's, kwaon na to tong value ni I. Okay? So, which is katong nakitaan. Okay? So, then found. Okay, try sa nato kung mabadyo ginabuhat. So, if is found, and then, duha man ka function, no? You have, wait. Sige lang. Wait. Is found. Kasi duha ka buok is found. Tanggalon na tong isa ka is found. So, is found I na lang. Is found I. Meaning is found integer. So, kanato ang ibutang. Is found I. So, butang na to dere, value, okay, kung ano to ang value is found at index, kanina pa itong iyan, is found at index, tapos unsay nakita niya ani. Ayan. So, ayan. So, ani na lang. Hindi mo lang isa ka variable diri ha. Wait. Let's say, nakita. Nakita na lang. Okay. So, kung ang if nakita equals to 0, so, value is not found. Pwede na to is not found. Okay. Then, it's not founded. So, otherwise, kung dili siya 0, meaning nakitaan niya is found at index, tapos, kwaon na itong nakita. Kung unsay value ni nakita, meaning mao to'y index kung asa nakita niya ang value. So, i-try sa nato kung working siya or if not, there's, what happened? Hala, ano niya itong case? Nanong nagka-error? Natay na usab. Case, break. Yeah, it's the case break. Now wait for a while. Sa daw error ani? This is syntax error. Switch statement to this case wala daw siya eh. Cannot jump to wait be. So kasi live ayun. Oops. Na-adjust siya. Case X cannot jump from switch. Wait. Break. Tama man. Okay. Wait ha. Yun. So is found I return found. So what happened? Anong dili niya i-read ni siya? Wait ha, di ni siya for each loop ha, basin ma-confuse mo. Tanggalon na to ni. Seems like wala may problem, but anong nag-error siya 3 na part? Gonna jump it switch state with this case, label case X. Sa baba, case D, case E. Bypasses variable initialization. Check daw nato dito sa i-declare sa nato siya diri ha. Int search na lang. Or nakita or search probably ana. And then search equals is found. Okay. And then search then search. Ayun, di siya gusto na to. Okay? Say difference. Anyway, so grabe po no, ka-stricto ba? So anyway, kato lang problem di ay. So may lang na ano na to. So 23 tuition 9,000. A. So love female 34 tuition 5,000. So nanatay records 101, 102. So tanaw to i-search na to kung makitaan ba. So 102 which is found at 102 is not found but niingon siya at index 1. Okay? Nakita niya at index 1. So mali lang siguro at mali ato ang nakabutang is not found. Okay? Is found na siya. So nakita niya ang 102 sa index 2. So this time mao na niya itong buhaton. Kaya nakita man niya, then atong buhaton would be copy paste and then tanggalon na nato ni na program. Instead, ang atong ipuli kanina siya, no? So yan. And then so tanggalon na nato ning break statement and since na naman tayo hold, so pwede na ito niibutang ang hold. Hold equals, kung di mo gana, ipag ano lang mo, kung di mo gana again inyong toString, sa inyong, depende mo sa compiler, you stick with the cout diretso. Ayan. toString value is not found, and then right here, cout hold. Ayan. So, mas limpyo na siya kasi nanatay is found. So, okay. By this one, para may gani, wala ko na nakita na ko. So, this one, instead of, ang gina-return aning search hack is either 0 or the index value of a certain ID. So, basta more than 0, makita, mao to ang iyang i-return. Okay, pwede po nyo i-convert, ibaliktad. If greater than 0, so, wait ha, kay ang ID, ang i-return niya is, sige, pwede, lagi ni. So, we have search, dapat search na ni. Okay, so, this time, we are going to, what happened? Ano ning value? Ang sa'yo ning value? Ang this type, no? Di na din ito, kailangan to string kay, di man din ni number. So, yan. Tingala siya. Okay, so, let's have here a student ID 101. So, let's say, Clarice, female, age, 12, 5,000. So, did you know, akat po kung mag-jQuery ay kung mag-ano good mo, sa yung ginagamit na IDE? Dev C++, tama?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sa akin ka ng online
Dev C++.
compiler, sir. Kaya medyo
Pero, ako sir, kay online compiler.
Okay. Pag system post mo,
C++, sir.
pag system post mo, pag system CLS, tapos i-clear screen ninyo para dili siya inani gani na hugaw. Kasi kung i-clear screen ninyo, mag-clear screen siya. System CLS lang mo para maglimpyo ang iyong screen. Dili manggod sa Eclipse. Anyway, basta i-try pangitato yung system tapos open and close parenthesis, single quotation CLS para i-clear niya ang screen. So every time maghuman ka sa operation or every time maghuman ka sa transaction, naga-clear screen siya, dili manggod siya mugana. Anyway, so we have here a 102 Ken, so male, age 12, tapos 8,500. So view na to. So naanatay record. Okay, na ano lang kay ang name ni Clarice medyo taas, longer. So search ta. So 101. So let's check kung ang value ni Clarice bang i-display. So 101 is not found. What happened? Search 102. 102 is not found. ID 2 Ken. Nakita niya pero wala niya nakita si Clarice. What kung sa kaya'y ani? Pati sa gender wala niya nakitaan. So there's something wrong with our is found here. Asa na to? Is found I. So ID and then i-return kwaon ang index value. Okay, i-try na to og butangan diri og break statement na lang. Okay, and then so i-read na to siya before na to i-run. Display na to diri ang value ni search. Now search. Okay. Search. Inani yung button, no? 5 piece para Anyway, pag makuha ninyo ni the rest for editing and for deleting, mao na ninyong i-apply. Okay, anyway, so let's look for this one. Tanaw na to. Pag-add tagdaghan daw ng records. So, A44, A, tapos B, 5, then A, tapos C, C, 6, and then view. So, natay 1001, 102, 103. So, search ta. Let's have here 101. So, index 0 siya ang i-return. So, is 101 is not found. So, mo na itong i-work out or i-work on karon nga nung dili niya makitaan na ganina na is found naman to. Pero try na to. So, 102. So, 101 is not found. Pero ID 102 name B. So na-capture niya. Okay? So what happened? Kanatong tan-awon nga nung di niya makitaan. Okay? Ang gina-return is type student ID 1021. Dara o na siya o nakita siya. So si 102 is ang index niya is 1. Dara. Okay, try po nato by 103. Okay? Search 103 kung naa ba siya makitaan. So 103 so far ID 103 name is C. Tama. Okay? Ang kaya lang ngano, okay, nganong nag-ingon siya og okay. 101 is not found kasi ang nag-plus ta dire. Pwede na ni wala na plus para matanggal to siya. I guess mo to ang problem na to. Ang plus ato ang problem. And then dili niya i-display ang for age and for tuition. Ano kaya ni? Sige, try na to. So, balik ka. 1, enter name, AA, tapos 11, A, B, B, 22, A, C, C, 33. Okay, view. So, natay 101, 102, 103. Search. 101. So, 101 is not found, Jod. I don't know. Sige, nano kaya ni? But 102 is... Asang 102? Ay, sorry. SDI. Tapos 102 is actually found. So, nakuha niya pero di niya i-display ang age. Di niya i-display appeal ang tuition. So, S, then 103. Ang na-display lang po is ID, name, and C. Ay, okay. S, no. So, 103, ID 103, name C. ID, search. Kanilang ihang edit. Ay, okay, to ara. Kasi ang terminator na to ni ara class. Okay, isa lang ka ano sa code, no? Pero wala na takabaloon sa inahitabo. Then like wala po ko nakabantay na nakabutang dai ko og terminator dila. That's therefore di siya mo proceed with gender and age and blah blah blah. So dapat careful ita. Ayun, balik ta sure na ko ani mo gana na ni ato ang is found. What time is it now? Alas 4 na. Okay, akong attendance classes ako wait na attendance ako sa akong pikas klase. Tapos para ma-excite mo gaman. Namoy klase after this one?
Yes, sir. Na, sir.
Yes, sir.
Naa, sir.
File handling. Actually, ato ang sunod na discussion is i-file handling na unta like dili na ta sige erase og data kanang ma-store na siya sa file and then so okay lang kung ma-discuss na mo sa ako ang other class dito na lang ako ipadayon and then i-share na lang ako sa inyo ang unsa na. Okay na mo ato?
Okay lang, sir.
Sige, mag-attendance sa ipapakita sana ako sa inyo ang last one more ha. Wait lang.
Yes, sir. Sige, sir. Sige, sir.
Okay. Good afternoon. Kaya ba si malate ta? Kung isa ka programming na data structure, advanced programming. So, balik ta. A. So, A11, A, then 2, na, mali naman ko. 2, A, sige lang, C, 3, view na to. So, we have 101, 102, kanina importante, 101, 102, 103. Search, 101. Okay, ang 101 yun, di niya makitaan, pero tanaw na nato nga nung di na makitaan. But 102, actually, ang 102, ay search pa man dahil, no? So, wait, 101, di niya makitaan. So, ang search, 102, there, nakita na niya ang 102. So, student ID, 102, ID name, 102, name 2, gender 2. Wala ang tuition. I don't know. Check na to later on. And then S, 103. So, 103 is na-display gihapon niya. So, What is the reason? Kay naana puntay terminator. Ayan, pantanggalon nato ni mga terminator nga ano man ni.
Tuyo ni mo na ganiya mo nang wala na lang ko nag-ano, sir.
Mao ba? Anong nanay terminator? Wala man dapat ay terminator. Even like last time dapat wala na siya terminator. Ano kaya to? So anyway, dapat wala to terminator mo tong di mo display. Yun. So it's found. Ang problem lang nga nung ang 101 dili makita. Ay, oo, tama kasi index, apil man ang index 0, no? Dapat ay while if search is less than 0, okay, or diba ang i-return kay 0? Asa ito, return ay negative 1 na lang jud nato na ibutang diri if negative 1 kay naman day index 0 kaya day niya makita og apil ang kay index array index 0, so dapat pwede na mo equals to negative 1 dire. Okay, so basta negative 1 dili makita, basta hatang siya value 1 2 3 4 meaning na siya makita, which is index value. So the same inyong buhaton dire sa dire, no? The same na inyong buhaton dire, kwaon tanggalon na ninyo ni siya, pulihan na ninyo ni siya, og you can replace it with this code na. And then, yan, mauna na siya, ma-organize na yung code. At some point, no, dili na kasi nani katag-as ang code. Especially dire, like, mawala na ning loop. Yan, if, wait na ha, one more lang, Jod. Hold on a second. Okay, and then, you'll have to remove this na part. And then, tanggalon mo ni siya. And then, pulin mo siya dire. Okay, ato ang source indentation. So, at least nawala na tong loop na part. And then, sa search, kani siya, tanggalan na ning edit by index kasi wala naman ni pulos, no? Pwede na nimo tanggalon. Kay by search by ID na ta mag-base. Then, what happened? Okay, ang else statement na ako. Yan. And then, kwaon na to ni, kasi delete na to ni siya iputang. Ayan, so like tanggalon na to ni, and then, unsay value ni search, okay, unsay value ni search, kopyaw na to ni, ibutang na to siya dire. Ano lang, no? Mauna na siya imong ibutang sa index. So, as easy as that, convert na mo siya into this one. So, ayan. Because you have, o at least na, nagamay mo ang code o at least pila ka lines, no? Kaya kasi kani, this one is loop kun ni siya na nagngita kung na ba siya makita na value. So, and then, gibutang na to siya as method or function, and then mao na lang ni ang atong tawagon every now and then. So, di na siya balik-balik. Okay? So, if negative 1 is not found, then, sige, try sa nato ni. And then, for edit, ato na lang pong ipadayon. Okay, and then, asa naman tong for this one. Okay, and then, here. Okay, and then, oy. So, right here. So, okay, asa na itong condition na to? Dara. Okay, so after which, ayan. So, kung nakita niya na naay nana, blah, 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 then, kani wala na ni. Kasi, this is kung makitaan na siya makitaan. Ang imo na lang buhaton kanina lang. So, yan. Hindi na to wala. Then, diretso dire, code. Capture ay atong i-identification para mag-arrange. Yun. And then, here, sa search ka. And then, after that, yeah, that's it. Then, I minus minus. Okay, so value is not found. Value is kani siya kung value is not found diri kay value is deleted successfully. I-try na to sa kung mugana ba siya, but if not, then sound taman. Okay, sige. So let's have here A 1 1, A B B 2 2, A C 3 3, then A B 4 4, tapos one more A, tapos E tapos 5 5. Okay, view. So natay 101, 102, 103, 104. Search 101. Ayun, nakita na jud niya. So ID 1001, name AAA. So with method na lesson na nato atong code by at least mga siguro na minusan siya by 30% sa codes, line of codes. And then edit. I don't know if this one will work, but based ako ang reading hopefully mag-work siya. So i-edit nato si 1003. So si 1003 is based ato ang is C dara. So kung tanaw niyo, type new value for C. So ihimo na to siyang F. Okay, type new value for C. Nganong C gihapon ni kay si gender niya is C gihapon. Ibutan na to male. Okay? Type value for 3 age niya. So ibutan na to 21. Type value for 3 which is imo na to ni siyang 8,000. Okay? View. There. Na-edit na to siya. So tama ato ang edit sa isa lang ka method. Okay? And then i-delete na to. Try na to delete. 103. So, ingon ba siya deleted successfully? Type a value to delete. Wala siya ni ingon kasi wala tayo see out. Pero kung i-try na to view, yun, nawala na si 103. Delete si 103 nawala, pero natanggal si katong record ni 103. Okay, mo na itong itanawon na pod unta. Pero since night time, sige, wait na ha, allow me to check on this one. Is equal to search delete 103 012 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. Ay, kasi wala tayo ID. Para kulang, mura na kulang. ID and A plus 1. Okay, mura tayo na kulang. And then, sunod unta, kung napatay time sana, okay, kung nasa lang tayo time, atuan siyang ma-store para dili na ito, sige, every now and then, sige, kung add o record, kasi ma-store na nato siya sa text file, sa file handling, mo to ang last nato na discussion for today. Pero sige lang, no, it seems like time did not allow us na mahuman nato siya. So, A 11, tapos A, B, tapos 2, A, C, 3. So, S, view ta. Okay, try na to search 102. So, display si 102, edit 102. So, edit na to muna to ning Mart. Tapos, male, age niya is 21, 9,000. Yan. So, kung napansin niyo, dili pwede i-edit ang ID. Dili na nimo i-edit ang ID, ha. Never jud i-edit imong ID. Ang name lang, other information lang pwede niya ma-edit. So, view na to. You have here. So, si Mart now, na siya, namo na iyang information na na-change. And then, pwede na to. I-delete, try na to si Mart 102. So, 102 is deleted successfully. Let's check kung na-delete ba. There. Wala na si Mart. Okay? So, ang kulang na lang dyan dato is may gamay na transaction plus store na to siya sa text file para every time we run our program, dili mawala ang record. Sama niya nga mawalag kalit after kanya pahimuslan. Alright, so, question.
Di na ni motivation, sir.
Namang ko'y klase good.
Pare na sulod dito, sir.
Na ako'y klase, pero I don't know if they can still wait, pero try na to, ha.
Sini na sa to, sir.
Naman ka, may klase.
Wala, sir, wala.
Sure ba?
Buat yung kag Mark ba?
Amo pag ipanghatagan na biya mo kan, sir.
Ay, Charles. Ano all?
So, mao ninyong buhat. Mao ninyong buhaton sa inyong program. Nanay ani, so tagaan na tamong mga idea unsay dapat sa inyong program, i-function ninyo, and then kung naapad yung time, ato ani siyang i-OOP, no? Para, pero sige lang, di lang ta mag-OOP kasi you have another subject for me. Na mo'y subject sa kuan na OOP pohon, so mas magwapo pa dyan yung program pohon, no? Mas manindot, mas malimpyo na ninyong code. Pero sige lang, dito na, i-reserve na nato na discussion dito sa OOP. Bas hindi ay i-allow paghapon na we will still meet sa object-oriented programming, and then doon, mas malimpyo atong codes dito. Kani, dili pa dyan siya maoang sa programming. Kanang OOP na dyan ang pinaka-the best, no? Object-oriented programming na dyan siya. So, still, this one is not an object-oriented programming. However, this is the beginning of OOP. Kung kabalo ka ani, dako ang possibility or chance na mas dali masabtan nimo ang OOP. Advanced programming. Ang idungag lang ninyo dire is, sige lang, just quick, ano lang, para, if you guys want to go, you can go. Kay mag-demo lang gamay, at least maka-view lang tag-record. Wait for a while. Maka-store lang tag-record sa text file. So, if you want to go, you can go. Bye-bye. Sige. I-capture na nako inyong hang sana. So, include Fstream. Okay, Fstream. Nag-chat. DevC++. Sa DevC++, mag-system, Postmo, system. Gwapo dito sa DevC++. Nga, murag pro kay black tanan imong makita. Na murag ka nang nasa salida ba nga puro black ana imong makita. Sige. Now, in here, kani pa ganiyo, limited lang ato ang capacity. Dapat ma-change nato ni siya into...
Sir, wala na kay share screen.
Wala ko share screen?
Wala na, sir. Sige ra kag yaw-yaw.
Gituyo na ko na. So, ayan, I mean, kaning max na to dapat matanggal na nato ni, like, because if ma-store na to sa file, dapat dili na ta mag-base sa pilay capacity sa tong array. Ayan. So, do na ay sa C++ na ay dynamic arrays, which is katong vector, no? So, vector, but again, mas okay kung array mo kasi ang array mas especially nag-start pa mo programming, mas maano man gud mo, mas kanang mas maka-learn jud mo kung array. Okay? Sige. Mura siya og nag-manual nga car ba, no? You kung gusto ka kabalo ka mag-drive, mas gwapo pug manual car compared sa car na automatic. Then automatic ka going to manual, maglisod jud ka. So anyway, start na ta. Let's say we have here, we are going to store our records or our file dito sa so output, no? So mag-store ta og record dito sa ato ang sa file. So offstream, let's say my file, or let's say it's student man eh. So student, ayan na lang ng student. My file na lang dyan. So let's say, or record, no? Then you have here, let's say student.text, no? Student.text. Okay? Now, store na to ang record sa ato ang student, katong tanan record dito sa student.text. Pero daghan pa ding buhat usabonon kay mausab jud ang structure atong program. So dili lang sa nako ni i-paste lang sa nako ni somewhere there is a and para natin back up. Okay. So after that, we are going to store the records instead of sa array na to siya ibutang. Okay, mag-store lang po ta sa array, but this time maghimo tag isa ka code here, or I mean part sa storing sa text file is we are going to sa pangalan na to, we have record. So record, and then record, then store nimo dito si ID. Okay, so we have here IDI, ayan. And then stored po nimo si name I, ayan. Tapos store nimo si, butangan na to /t para ano dyan siya na gap. And then okay, actually mas okay kung naatay separator like kaning asterisk na line. Yan. Sige, unya na lang po na separate na ako nag-tackle sa inyo ha. So /t, and then sa ito gender, no? So you have gender I, and then you have here /t, age I, and then /t, then you have vision. Okay, vision I, and /n. Okay, so this one will be recorded sa ato ang file. So ayan, pwede na ta. Dapat i-close, pwede rin iwala, pero much better much better there is. So kasi sa advanced programming, kailangan close nyo dun, mag-close nyo ta every time mag-open ta, even sa database. So, nakay-open, nakay-close. So, dapat i-close ninyo. Practice na lang nyo na. Pero sa C++, di kayo siya na nakastick to. Now, i-run sa nato ni. Okay. And then, set out ni. What happened here? So, we have wait. Kastrikto ba? Siyang pamalakad dire. Okay. Wait lang ha. Store sa nato si ID. A, and then A. Ayan. So, na-run na nato siya. Check nato siya dire. Refresh. So, student. So, there, 101. Store na siya si 101. So, if dili siya mosugot na inato, then you'll have to do it in a way na balik anohon mo siya isa-isahon. It's a name I, or maybe because of kaning age, it's because it's a string, it's an integer, mao siguro to yang gikayaw-yawan. So pero tanaw na to, may labalaan na to na ron. Record, wait lang ha. Sorry. /t, record, o say gender pa di ay. So gender I, and then you have /t. Okay, di lang sa ito erase ang first one. Okay, record. Tapos age. Okay, basin dili siya sa age magka-error, pero try na to. Alright, so /n na lang din ipunta to /n apart. Sige, try na to. Kung sa wala siya error. Ayun. So A, smart, male, age, 7,000. Yan, so stored na to siya sa atong text file. Ato sa atong so there, na-store si Mart, male, and 23. Ayan. And then, padayon lang nimo siya. /t. So, diri butang pud kag /t re ana lang, no? And then for your tuition, Okay, and then Mart, mail, 12, let's say 8,000. So, balik ka sa student. So, yan, na-store na si Mart. So, sige, ipadayon ako ni siya, pero I'll stop from here kasi kailangan ako i-meet akong klase, kaya kailangan ako humanon na humanon sa next class. I-continue na ako ang recording within the day na makompleto ni siya, na ma-store sa text file, tapos ma-retrieve na to. And then, isend na ko sa inyo together later on. Okay?
Okay, sir. Sir,
Okay.
nakoy ask.
Sige, na ako itubag.
Kapag ganing sa gipabuhatin mong activity, sir, database ba to?
Sa database. Dili. Kani, inani.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Inani lang, oo. Sige. Okay, so thank you guys for joining in. Have a great day. See you guys.
Sir, wala ka, sir?
Magklase pa ko sa lain kay saan ang oras 23 na pod. Bye-bye.
Yan nga, sir. Taas mo
Bye,
yung
sir.
Mas mag-oras. Join na lang mo sa akong isa ka klase.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sige, bye.
Thank you, sir. Paghatag og link, sir, kay musulod mi.
Di mo advance man nito.